Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a twist out. I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Then I let it dry overnight. Now what I'm going to do now is bring back a little bit of moisture by squirting 2 or 3 small squirts of water onto each section. Then I'm going to add my curl product, and today I will be using Mielle Organics Twisting Souffle. I'm detangling the ends a little more. And then I'm going to apply this new product I picked up at Ulta Beauty. It's called Shea Moisture Split End Balm. And all products will be named in the description box. And how I apply this split end balm, I have to warm it up in between my fingers before applying because the product is very thick. So you definitely can't just scoop some out and just put it on your ends. You have to warm it up between your fingers and then spread it through your ends. And then I begin to twist my hair till I get to the end. Then I twirl the end around my finger, and I repeat all of these steps for each section of my hair. Okay, I'm about to do another section of hair, and I am doing medium-sized twists. And then I'm going to repeat the exact same steps that I did for the first twist. Squirt a few squirts of water, spread it throughout my hair. Then add the Mielle Organics cream, the twisting souffle. Detangle my ends, and then rub the split end balm between my fingers, and then add it to my ends. And not only does this product improve your ends, it defines your curls so well. If I have any split ends, it is so not noticeable while using this product. And you will see what I'm talking about at the end when you see the final result. I'm just going to speed it up a little bit, get past this part. Okay, I have finished twisting all of my hair, and I'm just going to let it dry overnight. It is the next morning. My hair is dry. I just added some bobby pins to the front so my hair can lay down some. I'm going to begin to add this oil to my fingertips before taking out the twist. This will prevent you from having a lot of frizz. Okay, now I am going to add more oil to my fingers and begin separating my twists. And I am still being very careful so I can prevent getting a lot of frizz. And then I'm going to separate each twist with my finger, and then I will begin to fluff with my pick. And remember, when using the pick, you're only lifting your roots. You're not pulling the pick all the way through to your curls because it will definitely mess up your curls. Okay, now I am using my pick to lift my hair from the roots. I'm trying to create some volume, and I'm also working at hiding some of those parts that were created from my twist. I'm going to continue doing this until I have the desired look that I'm going for. And afterwards, I'm going to apply some gel to my edges, and the look will be complete. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.